Today, we take you inside our dairy factory.
Watch the left side, keep him centered.
Steady now, easy does it.
Almost on the floor. Slow down, easy now.
Watch the horns, keep the path clear ahead.
Steady, boy. Just a little further.
Today, we'll show you how Gaur milk transforms into fresh, creamy cheese, step by step. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments.
Every movement of the Gaur is guided with precision and care. Every inspection begins by observing the animal in its environment, ensuring safety and control. The Gaur stands calm as the inspection begins, ensuring the same animal is followed throughout the process.
Our trained experts work in perfect coordination, prioritizing the animal's well-being.
We observe the Gaur closely to ensure it is healthy and comfortable.
Every hoof of the Gaur is inspected to maintain mobility and safety.
The Gaur is carefully weighed to ensure precise measurements before milk extraction begins. The Gaur's eyes are carefully checked to ensure full health and alertness.
The Gaur's nutrition is closely observed to guarantee proper health before milk collection. Hydration is monitored carefully, with the team ensuring the Gaur remains comfortable and healthy.
The Gaur is safely guided through the factory corridor to the washing room, ensuring comfort and control every step of the way.
The Gaur is carefully washed in the dedicated washing room with warm water and soap, ensuring hygiene and comfort before milk extraction.
After washing, the Gaur is carefully dried in the dedicated drying room, ensuring complete comfort and hygiene before entering the milk extraction stage. After drying, the Gaur is guided to the sample collection laboratory, where routine tests ensue its health and safety before milk extraction. In the laboratory, technicians collect routine blood samples to ensure the Gaur's health and verify full safety standards before proceeding.
In the radiology unit, specialists perform precise imaging scans to ensure the Gaur's skeletal health,
and the Gaur is carefully guided into the automated milking zone, ensuring calm movement and full control for a stress-free process.
The Gaur enters the automated milking parlor, where every step is controlled to ensure hygiene and safety. Warm water and medical-grade foam ensure a perfectly sanitized udder before milking begins.
A sterile towel removes moisture to prevent contamination and ensure clean milk extraction.
The first milk drops are tested to detect any signs of inflammation or abnormality. The milking cups attach delicately, applying a regulated vacuum engineered for maximum comfort.
Milk travels through sealed, sterile tubes, protected at every stage from external contamination. Every drop is recorded with precision, ensuring full traceability and yield monitoring. Once milking is complete, the system disconnects automatically, no manual contact required.
After safe extraction, the raw milk is transferred through a sealed, sterile system directly to the filtration unit.
Batch 142. Pasteurization complete.
Acknowledged. Sealing sequence finished.
After pasteurization, the milk is transferred under strict sterile conditions to the mixing hall, where
Cream is added to the milk to give the final product a smooth and rich consistency.
Salt and stabilizers are added in precise amounts to ensure flavor and texture consistency.
High-speed mixing ensures uniform distribution of all ingredients.
Samples are tested during mixing to achieve the perfect creamy texture.
The mixture is now ready for homogenization, ensuring perfect smoothness in every batch.
After mixing, the creamy milk flows into the homogenization system to ensure perfectly smooth texture and uniform fat distribution.
The mixture enters the high-pressure homogenizer to prepare for uniform fat particle distribution.
High pressure breaks down fat particles, ensuring a creamy and stable texture.
Technicians continuously monitor pressure, flow, and temperature to maintain optimal homogenization. The homogenized mixture is now uniform and ready for cooling and storage.
Samples are taken to ensure perfect texture before cooling and storage.
After homogenization, the creamy mixture is quickly cooled to stabilize its texture and prepare it for packaging.
The mixture enters the cooling tank, where rapid chilling begins to stabilize the creaminess.
Internal agitation ensures even cooling and prevents separation.
Samples are checked to confirm the perfect creamy texture before packaging.
Secondary chilling through jackets ensures the mixture reaches optimal temperature for stability.
The mixture is now fully cooled, stabilized, and ready for packaging.
The creamy mixture is poured into individual containers, forming the base of each cheese portion. Each portion is carefully leveled to achieve perfect texture and consistency. Each tub is labeled with the animal's name and batch details for traceability. Quality checks ensure each portion meets consistency and taste standards before sealing. The cheese is now fully packaged and ready for distribution, preserving freshness and creaminess.
Packaged cheese is carefully loaded onto refrigerated trucks to maintain freshness during transport.
The trucks depart the factory, delivering freshly produced Gaur creamy cheese to stores and distributors.